Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner.
Guys, I don't know what do they call this place. It's new and I'm also encroaching it for the first time. But it's beautiful if you can see, you know, those places and it's all green and peaceful, believe me. Yeah. So let's see. I would take you to the places. We are finally here near this place they call Noori waterfall, and it's in KP, I guess, because it's Haripur, right? But the way is really tough. The route to this place is, if you are someone who is really adventurous, like who wants to have this kind of adventurous stuff, you can venture and you would love it, by the way. Okay, the way here is adventurous, and see, all water. What you need to do just to not have these socks and what you may call the shoes, because now it's the time to swim, guys, and you have to remove your shoes and what do you call it, the socks, okay? Otherwise you would have been problem, guys. Here we go. Finally, this is the place I have been waiting, okay? And this is a place that they call Noori Fountain, and see, it's beautiful, okay? Believe you me, it's beautiful. And I'm just taking you to good places, okay? Okay, look at the mountains here, like these rocks are unique, okay? And if you go there, there you go, there you go. There you go, that is the fountain stuff, okay? And they're just making too much noise, by the way.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
But this place exactly is a nearby located place. But this water, of course, it's not that much good the way we had that one in Noori Fountain. But it's an absolute pleasure to be here in July and enjoy some of the outstanding, spectacular panorama of nature, okay? So I would strongly suggest you guys to visit such beautiful places, okay? And to have some wonderful moments. So, yeah, have some enjoy. Yeah, thank you.